To use the WorldPay password reset feature, start by going to the WorldPay website and click on the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the login fields. You will be asked to enter your username or email address associated with your WorldPay account. Enter the required information and click on the Continue button. WorldPay will send a password reset email to the email address associated with your account. Open the email and click on the password reset link. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong and unique password that meets the password requirements specified on the page. Enter the new password in the password field and confirm it by entering it again in the Confirm Password field. Make sure the passwords match to avoid any errors. Click on the Reset Password button to save the changes. You will receive a confirmation email from WorldPay once the password has been reset successfully. Go back to the WorldPay website and log in with your new password. Make sure to keep your new password safe and secure to avoid any unauthorized access to your account. It is a good practice to use a password manager to generate and store unique and complex passwords. Also, make sure to reset your password regularly to maintain the security of your account. If you encounter any issues during the password reset process, you can contact WorldPay customer support for assistance.